dear kids, welcome back to your GK class. So children, I would like to appreciate each one of you because I have got very good response. You all have done your work very nicely. So children, today which chapter we are going to cover? That is, the chapter name is The Right Place, and this is chapter number 14. And this is classwork. You have to mention classwork and today's date also. So children, in this chapter, as you can see, this is a house and this has been divided into 5 rooms: bathroom, bedroom, garage, living room and kitchen. And there are lots of things which you have to match with the right room. Okay, so for toothbrush you will match with bathroom. So you have to draw the line and you have to match with the correct room. So children, I have prepared few slides for you. So we will see slides, but before that I would like to show you the chapter which we will cover. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and as you see, this is a rhyme also. So this is homework page and this is not subjected. So children, I have prepared slides for this chapter also. So we will see the slides and then we will complete the chapter. So let's see the slides. So children, as I told you, we will complete chapter number 14 and 15 today. So chapter number 14 is The Right Place and this is classwork. So first we will mention classwork and today's date, and then we move forward. And in this chapter we have 5 rooms and few objects also, or you can say few things also. So you have to match the things to the right room or the right place. So let's see which is our first room. So first room is living room, and you can also say this is drawing room. So first thing, we see sofa in this living room. So children, sofa is the place where you sit and watch TV, enjoy watching TV. So you should keep your living room neat and tidy. Second thing, we see television, TV. We keep TV in the living room. And coffee table, or you can say center table also. So these are the few things you are going to match with bathroom? No, living room. So children, we'll move forward to the next room, and that is bedroom. So let's see what things we see in our bedroom. So first, blanket, pillow, and sometimes blankets, sometimes quilts also. So pillows and bed. You should arrange your bed in the morning always. So these are the things we are going to match in the bedroom. Now our kitchen. The children, in the kitchen we see utensils and few electronic appliances also. So let's see what we see in our kitchen. Ladle, and with the help of ladle we just keep the sabji into the katori, into the bowl. Okay, and there are so many other things which we do with the ladle. And this is a bowl, a pan, a plate. So these are the things which we see in the kitchen. And I am sure my children are really very smart. Bathroom. In the bathroom, what do we see? We see soap to bathe or to make us germ free. Next is bucket and toothbrush. So these are the things which we see in the bathroom, and we just kept into the right place. Children, in the garage we park the car. And why do we park the car in the garage? Because it is safe there. Okay, so children, this is the whole chapter, and I'm sure you all understood what you have to do. You have to do the matching, okay, with the correct rule. Now we will move on to chapter number 15. So children, now move on to chapter number 15, and first write down homework, and this is not subjected. So children, first we are going to read the number rhyme. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on the right. So children, you must have remembered this rhyme. And as we have done this rhyme, so now we will see which chapter we are going to cover. What is the chapter name? And that is very important. So the chapter name is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in this chapter, children, we have to count and underline the things, and whether it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Few things are universal also. So first we will see how the number of suns in the sky. Everybody knows it is 1. So we are going to write 1 in the box, in the empty box. Now number 2 is the number of wheels in a tricycle, not bicycle. This is tricycle. So in tricycle there are 1, 2 and 3 wheels. So the answer will be 3. Okay, now the next question is the number of fingers in our hand. So can you tell me? Yes, it is 5. In one hand, 5 fingers. Okay. Now the next question is the number of wings a bird has. Very easy. It is 2. Now our next question is the number of babies in the pair of twins. In a pair of twins. So twins means 2. We read somewhere also in this fact. Twin means 2. So the number of pockets in the carom board. And I hope you all enjoy carom also. So the pocket where the striker or the coin goes, that is called pocket. So the pocket are 4. Number of pockets are 4. The number of suits in a pack of cards. So there are 4 suits. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now number 8 is the number of school days in a week. So children, because nowadays we study from Monday to Friday. So how many days should be there? And Saturday and Sunday is a kind of Saturday only activities are there, fun activities. So how many days do we study? Yes, 5 days. So 5 days school. Now question number 9. The number of tails a dog has. Very easy. It is one tail. And the last question is the number of colors in the traffic light. So is it 4, 5 or 3? Yes, it is 3. So children, this is how we have completed the chapter, and you have to complete both the chapters. So children, we have completed till the syllabus till July. Okay, so now you please complete your work and send it to me. And now it's time for Whiz Fact. So children, hope you have enjoyed the slides. And here in this chapter we have Whiz Fact also. So the Whiz Fact is the word duo, do it, pair and couple. All means two. We are talking about two things. So children, this was the Whiz Fact, and hope you have enjoyed today's class. We'll meet you next time. Till then, bye bye. Happy learning.